Hello, friend. If you want to earn by creating content on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, or any other social media platform, but you don't want to show your face, then in today's tutorial, I have brought a solution for you so that you can create content without revealing your face. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how you can create an animated character or cartoon and give it your own voice, like this.
Hello friends, my name is Mickey, and if you also want to create such an animated character, then watch this video until the end and subscribe to the channel before that. Thank you.
Animated character you just saw was created entirely for free, so you can also create such animated characters for free. Before starting the video, I request you all to please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Now let's learn how you can create such animated characters together. First of all, open Google and search for Adobe Express. Click on this link to open this website. You will see an interface like this. Click on Quick Action and then Animation from Audio. Click on Start Now button. You will see interface like this. First, click on the character, and here you can see that there are many characters available. You can also filter out these characters as you wish and select the one you like. I like this one, Bluster. After this, click on the background and select one that matches the character you have chosen. I am selecting this one. After that, click on the size, and here you can select the size suitable for the platform for which you want to create this character. You can also select from here. I am selecting this one landscape, which is Fight for YouTube long videos. After that, it's time to upload your voice. You can click on the record button here to record your voice. However, if you've already recorded your voice beforehand, you can click on Browse here to upload your voice. After uploading your voice, processing will start here, and after a short time, your video will be ready. Here, you can see our video has been created, and now we can play it to watch.
Hello friends, my name is Mickey, and if you also want to create such an animated character, then watch this video until the end and subscribe to the channel before that. Thank you.
In this way, you can also select any character from here and animate this character with your voice and create content for different platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Facebook to earn money. If you liked this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so that you can receive my upcoming videos. Thank you.